Hello YouTube, Chash Tech Review is back again. In today's video is about how to add an animator text in your Adobe Premium editor. So you are making a YouTube video or some kind of video, so you want to add an animated text on your video. So to add the animator text on your video, first you should have to add text on your uh, timeline. On my timeline here I have a video, so next to the timeline you will find different tools. From the tools that you will find, there is type tool or the T. So click on T, or else you can click the T later on your keyboard. So I click the T, go to your project screen and click on the place that you want to add the text. So here I clicked it, then here as you can see the red box is available, and as well as a footage is available on the timeline. So let's add a text here. For example, let's add Chachi take review. So here Chachi take review is added. So in order to move your text to the place that you want, just click here the selection tool and click on the text that you want, and you can move it anywhere that you want. And in order to make some change to your text, on the top you will find here graphics. If you cannot find graphics, you can click here under the Windows and workspace, then you can find it here, the graphics, here the graphics. So click on the graphics and it will directly leads you to the page of the graphics. So here essential graphics is opened. So let me select the text, and here the edit section is turned on and the text is again turned on. So if you click here the I symbol on the text, it will be hidden as you can see, but if you unlock it, it will get back there. And there are some functions that you can use for your text. You can even align it to vertically center, it will be center, or horizontally center, then it will align to horizontal center. And also you can play with the numbers to align or to transform it into different positions. As you can see here, with your mouse you can play, and as well as you can even select different font styles or typing styles. Let's open this one, and after I select that, just click here the drop down arrow, and you can select different styles to your text. So here different styles are here, so you can select any of that you want. Let us select this one, and as you can see here the text style is changed into different one. So by selecting here the text style, you can use different text styles, and as well as you can move it to the left and to the right to control the size of your text. As you can see here, the size of the text is get bigger or smaller, so you can play with this one in order to increase and decrease the size. And as well as you can play with the alignment, you can make it to the left alignment or the center or to the right alignment based on your interest. And as well as you can change the text color by clicking here fill, and it will change the color of the text. For example, let us make it red. Here I select red, then I select OK here, and as you can see the color of the text also changed. And also you can even add a stroke by clicking here the check mark, and as well as you can play with the number here by moving your mouse to the left and to the right. You can add a stroke, even you can change the color of the stroke by clicking here select yellow and select here OK, and here the stroke color is changed into yellow. Or else you can play and you can remove or you can uncheck the stroke and you can remove the stroke, and as well as you can add background, and also you can add a shadow by selecting here the checkbox, and you can play with the numbers, angle, and other are included under the shadow. So include all those things, and you can also change the layout or the structure of the text. So after you do this, in order to animate your text, for example, let us make the color more preferable into white. Then after that, in order to make the animation more beautiful, just click here the new layer. So when you click that, you will have different shapes, rectangle, ellipse, or other. So let's select rectangle one, and here the rectangle is appeared. So let's in the bottom, after you select here the shape, after you select the shape, then change the color here, fill, and make it select black, and select here OK. Then after that, drag this one because it's hiding the text, so let's drag this one to the bottom, and here the text appear on the top, and here you can move the size of the shape with equal to the text. Now here we added the text, so let's move it here on the bottom. By clicking here the arrow, you can move that, and also select the text and you can move it to the bottom. And here we added the text. So you can also make the amount of time that it will stay, which is by dragging this one, it will stay much longer, as you can see here. So after that, let's add an animation. Again, click here under the Windows and select here effects. So select effects. So here the effects open. So let's type here push. So type here push, and here we find the push option. So select the push option and drag this one and drop it to the beginning of the text. And again, drag this one and drop it to the end of the text. So I think it's visible, something is added here. So let's start from the beginning of the text. Let's open that. So here play, and here the text inserted with a style, with a pushing style, just appeared on the screen, and it will left out with the same style moving to the right side. So you can animate using this push style, and you can use other styles. So this is how you can insert a text to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, and so this is how you can animate the text also. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.